Okay, so after about 2.5 hours of allowing the PowerShell script to run, we end up at this point here. Now, if you were watching your hard drive space, which you don't really need to, it drops down to around 2 gig of free space, but at the end, you're back up to 5.5 gig of free space of the 40 gigs set aside. So again, 50 gigs probably better. Setting up a 50 gig drive is probably better, but 40 gig does seem to be enough for what we're going to do in this class. But this is the important bit here. After the computer has reboot, I kind of lost count again, but I think it's closer to 5 reboots. We get a screen that looks like this. And basically it's saying, hey, type enter to exit. Now you don't have to type anything, just hit the enter key and it will shut itself down. And you are done setting up Flare. And one of the telltale signs is that your desktop has changed to the Flare logo. Unfortunately, the Windows evaluation copy thing will replace the Flare logo every time we reboot, but we can deal with that the next class. The important thing I'd like you to keep in mind is that at this point, you're done and you're ready for our next class together. Go to Windows key, power, and shut down the VM. And leave it shut down until our next class together. I hope that helps. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.